yeah, just flap your wings like this, and then fly like this, and then fly way high like this.
Robbie, they're running away from you.
Yeah.
Don't go near him, please.
Don't be shy. Don't be scared at me. Flap your wings like this. Like this. And then fly.
He's trying so hard.
Like that. And then fly way high.
Yeah, baby, I don't think they understand you.
Huh?
You have to tweet to them like a bird. You have to say tweet, tweet, because they don't understand what you're saying.
Tweet, tweet, like this. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
This child has such a good heart. Okay, don't scare him now. Because they're afraid of you.
Don't be afraid of me. Hey, look. This is the one. They're not afraid of me. Hey, baby, look. It's this one too.
Robbie, you need to fly so they see how you have so they see how you do it.
I didn't have to fly.
Well, you just gotta flop your hands, right? And then you'll take off and fly.
Yeah.
See, there you go. There's mommy bird. All right, come on, Robbie, come here.
Hey, this that one.
Yeah, Robbie, come on.